Hi everyone, thank you for joining me today. I am bringing you some more high-end finds at Five Below. Surprisingly, my last video did really well. It has over 30,000 views, and I just want to thank you all for supporting me and encouraging me on this YouTube journey. That was truly unexpected. I didn't even pay that video any attention. It doesn't have my intro. It wasn't edited well. To me, it's terrible considering what I've learned and educated myself to edit and do better in my videos, but it's doing really well. So I wanted to bring you some more decor inspiration that doesn't require you to do any DIYs unless you want to. And I'm constantly in Five Below now, just buying things for my home, for organization. I'm going to present to you some organization items, some storage options, as well as just some general home decor and even some electronics, several of which I did purchase. But I'm going to give you my top 5 at first, and then I'll show you throughout the video some other items that you should definitely be on the lookout for. So make sure you like, share, and subscribe. And now we can get started. So the first item I'm going to show you is a clear plastic storage bin. It's acrylic plastic, very similar to those shelves I showed you, which by the way, you can still find at Five Below. And I will show those to you towards the middle of this video. But let me show you this acrylic container first. It's so nice. There's the ring light for you. Sorry if it's in your face, but they're pretty deep. And they are with the home decor, and they're next to some of the other baskets, one of which I will show you, so you can just look for them when you go in the store. It says plastic storage bin. It's an 11 by 6, so it can hold a lot of your products, perfect in your pantry, your bathroom, or just general storage. I probably use these to hold some things in my basement too, like a bunch of spray paint, because I have so much. But I just thought these were so great and nice looking, and definitely better than your standard sort of plastic ones you get from Dollar Tree, because the colors vary. You never know if you're actually going to find an item in a neutral tone like the grays and the creams that they sometimes offer, or even the white. And they come through seasonally at Dollar Tree, but Five Below always has these clear plastic bins, and I honestly love this look. It gives you a higher end look. Definitely mimics some of the items at the Container Store and that the Home Edit use. So I would definitely be on the lookout for these acrylic bins. So the next basket I'm going to show you is this lovely little baby. Very similar to the tray that I showed you in my last video. Also the same size as the acrylic bin. Here, let me show you. Oh, not as deep, like maybe half, not even half of an inch, maybe a quarter of an inch difference there, if you can see. I don't know, I'm not holding it even. Yeah. So also a very deep basket. I'm actually using it to hold my onions right now and think it's really aesthetic for a pantry area. Again, it would look good in a closet or any bathroom storage that you might need. Like I said, I've got, I don't know if you can see them, my onions in here. It's only a couple. I also have red onions in another basket, and I just put a Dollar Tree tag on here and tied it on with the twine that came in the package. And you do get 4 in a pack if you do want to add a tag on here. But they're really nice, good texture, absolutely beautiful, and very similar again to the ones you can find at Container Store, but for a fraction of the price point. And so my third absolute favorite item is a mirror, of course. It is almost 20 inches wide or diameter, which is very sizable. It is more than $5. It's $8 at Five Below, but I think $8 for a mirror is fantastic. I don't even know if you'd pay that at a thrift store, to be honest. They might charge you 10 at least, if not 12. So this mirror is brand new. Again, it's about 20 inches long or wide in diameter, and it was only $8. So I'm gonna insert a clip because I don't want to blind you holding it up on the screen. So So just a moment, here we go. So number 4 is an ottoman cover. I bought this a while ago, so I have to do the voiceover. I have an ottoman from Target that got damaged prior to my move, but I still wanted to utilize it, and I hemmed and hawed about this ottoman cover, but it actually worked out perfectly. Now they are made for the blow-up ottomans you can purchase at Five Below as well for $5, of course, but it fit on my ottoman. This was a silver ottoman, probably one of the first pieces from Opal House, I think. But anyways, it went on there. It's really soft and smooth. It is a little small. You can see where the fabric kind of cuts down and stops, where it's supposed to grab the bottom and loop. But I just pulled it and tied a knot and stuck the string inside and turned it over, and it worked perfectly. And then just to add a little more luxe, I do put a rug from IKEA on it. I only paid $10 for this rug. I do believe it fluctuates in price, but it works perfectly and looks really good in my bedroom. And next is the gamer light. I saw Pretty and Flawed show this in one of her videos when she was walking through Five Below, and I had to get it for my boyfriend. He is a hardcore gamer, if you don't notice from the Nendos and whatnot on his bookshelf. And I thought this light was just really cool for him. It does actually look really high-end. It is an acrylic light. It has an on and off switch, and it takes 3 AA batteries. But it looks really good in his space and definitely goes with his aesthetic and all the items that he has on his bookshelf. And now for some additional items at Five Below. They have some really good looking games like this chess set. I thought it was super high-end. I would have purchased it. It'd be nice on display, but I don't play chess at all. So if you do, this would look really good in your space. It's black and white and modern and would really just pop on a coffee table or even in a game room. The checker set is also really nice. It is in the navy blue and white. Also would look really good in a space and probably could go in different spaces or with different designs because it is the navy blue. So it'll be nice outside on your patio set if you want to play with your kids or with a friend. Also in a living room or even a dining area if you have space for a game. And then this yacht game looks so good. It's gray and black and has the tan. Also really modern, and it is solid wood as you see there on the canister. I thought this was beautiful. I also recommend taking a look at the storage options. They have this ottoman here, storage ottoman. It has a lid, which is really nice for protecting your items. I have a big one in my house that houses all my blankets next to my couch. They also have this stool, which is new. It is navy blue. If it were black, I probably would have grabbed it, to be honest. And then there are a variety of shelving and even like little kind of desks. I think the desk, I don't have it in here. I didn't see it at my Five Below, but I have shown the shelves before. This is the wood version of the acrylic one, which will show shortly. You can find this one as well with the gold brackets, which I think is really nice too. And here's the acrylic ledge, the infamous acrylic ledge. She is beautiful. I plan on putting her up in my living room as well, especially in the entryway when you come in through the side door. It would just look so good, and I can throw my keys on it and they will hold just fine. In addition, there's a lot of accessories. This modern calendar made out of wood blocks, this beautiful macrame hanging plant holder, and there's this other little shelf with a mirror on it that would definitely go with the modern boho vibe. And then they had a ton of electronics. I would have bought everything, but I wasn't trying to spend that kind of money. I did buy this selfie light. I think it's pretty cool. It takes a couple of AAA batteries, and it's so cute and comes in a variety of colors, as you see here: silver, gold, black, and I think there was a blush pink as well. I definitely bought the black one. And I also bought this LED cube clip for my laptop. I thought it would be nice in meetings, or if I have like virtual doctor's appointments, it would just light up my face so they could see me. There was a toilet light. I mean, there's so many things. They have a soap pump that lights up, a towel rod. It's pretty sweet. And there's a variety of speakers as well, like shower speakers. I'm actually hemming and hawing about the shower speaker. And look how cool this is. There's water strips, waterproof light strips. There's a light up toilet paper holder, and the shower head lights up. I mean, you could go crazy in Five Below with all these fun electronics. So I want to thank you all for watching. I will be back at Five Below. Bye.